Hi everyone, welcome back. So for today we're going to do Aries for October 2020. So let's see what's going to happen. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. This is going to be a general reading. Take it how it resonates. For personal readings and more accuracy, you can book me on Instagram or WhatsApp. Alright, so all the details have been given in the description box if you're looking for it. And also join me on Instagram for latest related updates and offers. Happy to help you. Okay, so let's begin. What's coming up with friendships? Maybe many people. You have attention of many people on you. Okay, Aries. All right, Aries. You're very much in your own energy, doing well. Okay, feeling passionate about your talents, about your work, whatever you're doing. I feel that you're looking forward in life. You're not looking backward. Very much in your own fire energy right now and exploring more options in business and stuff like that. Yes, I told you. You're working on, maybe you're saving more money and or building more finances. All right, stuff like that. So your focus is on finances right now. Alright, some of you might be dealing with a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn who's not talking to you. Is controlling their desire to talk. And for most of you, I feel that you're focused very much on your finances, okay? So I feel we'll take this one. I feel that you're going to gain even more, attention of the people around wherever you are. I feel that you're doing something that's making you more popular and you're gaining more finances. Your financial development is taking place, okay? And I feel that you're growing a lot and you're very much focused on your goal, not swaying from it, and strong, very strong right now. Okay, strongly facing all the hurdles in life, and I feel that whatever decisions that you make will be in your favor and will be the right decisions. So you're going in the right direction in order to gain money. And I also feel that there is someone, maybe Pisces, and you might be interested in a Pisces and you feel a strong connection and pull towards them, but you don't know what their intentions are. Or this is some person, or this is a kind of a person who is quite mysterious and you're confused about them. A lot of passion. I feel this person has shown a lot of passion and excitement towards you. Whoever you're dealing with is very passionate about you, and so are you, maybe. I feel that why Aries, I feel that you have a lot of passion towards a Virgo, Taurus, or a Capricorn, okay? Although you're focused on finances, some of you are married over here, or some of you are dealing with a married person, okay? But I feel that you're very attracted to this person, the way they look and the way they handle their own life, It's very alluring. And yes, you may be in love with this person, okay? Let me check this person's energy towards you. How do they feel about you? Ooh, this person is a bit scared of you, anxious. Maybe because of the place or a status where you are in, and they feel that they're not worthy enough of you, but they don't know their own worth. I feel that you're dealing with a person who doesn't really feel worthy enough of you, okay? They don't know their self-worth that much. And they have some confidence issues and insecurities and stuff like that. But I feel that they're also vulnerable, because of which it makes you feel love towards them. You feel emotional, sensitive towards them, because they act vulnerable at times, and very feminine energy you might be dealing with, okay? This person is not very confident, and maybe they're not confident in front of you. Maybe you, because of the way you're growing and you're famous and stuff like that, maybe some of you. And this person is a bit closed off because of that, and they might be scared, okay, of you in a way, insecurities and stuff like that when it comes to you. So I feel that there is love there, you have love for them, and they also feel the same for you. I feel they strongly want to connect with you, but they don't know how, because of these fears and because you are surrounded by so many people, and this like kind of triggers them a bit. Could be a Libra that you're dealing with. Another fire sign. They have passion. They do have passion, but they hide it. They don't let you know. Yes, they're holding their passion, okay? They're not letting you know. So they want you to contact them, or I feel that you've tried a zillion times to talk to them, but they are not reciprocating it, and you feel like this person is not into you, which is not true. They are, but they have some insecurities and some blockages that need to come out. They need healing. Okay, this person needs healing because they're not very confident, not very open. Yeah, this is a reconciliation happening. I feel someone from the past is missing you like crazy, or you might be missing this person a lot. And there's a high chance that this person wants to marry you, or you guys will end up marrying each other. There's a very high chance. Now, it all depends upon you guys, how you want to take it further, you and this person. So I feel that there is a high chance this person wants to marry you but is not expressing that, and you are over expressive. So I feel that you need to, find a middle ground which doesn't like kind of scare this person off. I feel that you're very positive and you're very optimistic about this relationship, whereas this person is a bit fidgety about this connection. And yes, they feel the strong passion and pull towards you, and you feel that. And there is a high chance that Aries, there's a marriage opportunity coming. It's very close to you, okay? So open your eyes and look around. Let us check more what's coming up for Aries in October. I feel that there is a high chance that you might get into a relationship or an equal give and take in October. Alright, and you're going to stay very strong in your own energy. You will be boldly expressing your thoughts and emotions to whoever it needs to be. Very money oriented. I feel your money is going to grow and you're going to get more recognition, but I feel that you're not going to focus on one person in love, because you'll have so many options into you that you'll be confused like which one to choose or which one to give more importance to. So I feel that in love situation, in love direction, you may end up hurting someone unknowingly, unwantingly, unintentionally, but it's gonna happen. I feel this is this Libra, Gemini, Aquarius that might get hurt because you might not give them attention. Okay, then now I feel that this person might say some rude words to you. Okay, Aries, so be careful. There's someone, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, they might hurt you or they might say some rude words to you because they are a little cautious of these things, and they're also skeptical of you as a person, I feel. So I feel you also look out for other options because the situation will get very difficult for you to settle down. And maybe there's a love opportunity coming with a new person because there are two wands, and I feel that there is a high chance that you might have a reconciliation with someone and then you get married to someone else, okay? Or you find a potential mate. Oh yes, you're going to find a potential mate with whom you get married to. There is a very high chance, or there is a, it's like a 50-50 chance. Like you might meet your empress, like you're the emperor or you're the empress, and you might meet your emperor. Like a twin flame connection is coming up. It could mean that this person is a difficult situation that you need to deal with, but the situation is going to get better after a lot of turmoils, okay? Or if this person completely switches you off, okay, then there's definitely someone coming towards you who's going to be your twin flame. All right, so there's a new beginning in a stable relationship that's coming up, okay? So I feel that the person that you're going to deal with is going to be equally financially well off, just like you are, or at the same page as you. I feel that someone who is extremely addicted to you, someone from the past maybe, is coming back and they're very addicted to you. Could be a Capricorn, Aries. What else do we get? Someone is like, I feel that there are two people interested in you and both of them are obsessed with you, okay? Someone is there who's online dating, and there's someone is having crush on you, someone new who you met online, okay? Or you have many online friends who are into you, could be your clients, stuff like that, okay? So I feel Aries, you'll be very much into work and you won't have time for all this. Okay, you'll be pretty on and off. I feel this is your energy that you won't have time for, to stick around to someone because you have so many options and you will be confused. You'll have so many options and you'll be like confused which way to go. So that is why this is going to make you end up focusing on finances more. All right, so yeah, your finances are going to get high. I feel that you're going to get achievement in something that you're doing. There's a new beginning in relationship or a commitment as well if you focus on it, but I feel that more strongly your finances are going to grow to another level, right? And you're going to put all your efforts and skills into this, and you'll see your output. You're going to build more finances and client base or whatever it is. And even at your job you will be given a respected position and you might even get a promotion. Okay, so you're very willing to work, so you're very aggressive towards whatever your goal is. You're very aggressive and you're going to achieve what you're looking for. Okay, so some of you might be involved in some creative talents and you might get success in that line, and I feel it could be related to music, beauty, health, stuff like that, entertainment. So whatever you're doing, your feminine side is strong, okay, very strong, and I feel that this makes many people attracted to you. So you're going to embrace that strongly and you're going to enhance your skills, and more people are going to be interested in you and you'll have so many options around. I feel that there is an Aries Sag Leo interested in you as well, physically interested. So that's the reading for my Aries. I hope this has resonated with you. If it did, do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video and hit the bell icon. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.